Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 12. It is from section 2.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to solve the equation for y in terms of x. That means we need to make it say y equals, and x will be on the other side. All right, so let's write down what we have. 3x minus 2y equals 6. So let's subtract 3x from both sides. And we get minus 2y is equal to minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so now we have our equation. And what we need to do is divide each term by what is multiplying the y. So let's divide each term by minus 2. So we have y is equal to, okay, minus 3 over minus 2 is just 3 over 2. That is multiplying x. And then 6 divided by minus 2 is minus 3. And now we have the equation. It says y equals. We've got x on the other side, and we have solved the problem. That is what we needed to find. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.